Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's your girl Curry Goodaz and I'm about to go out. Yes guys, as you can see, I am here at Galfan Thursday getting on bad. I'm just showing you guys a little about what I do in my personal time. Yes, I love to party. Yes, I just party a lot. This party was leather versus leopard. And as you can see, I was having lots of fun. Yes guys, lots of fun. Please guys, when you watch my video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Gotta cut the music and voice over because you know we don't want a copyright over here. We are building this. We are not trying to destroy it. Okay? So just get into it. I had so much fun. I was drinking Hennessy because that's my favorite drink. You know, look at this big booty girl right here. Look at this. Whoa. Listen to me. I don't think if my butt was so big I could handle it. You know? Yes. But we was having fun. We was all turned up. We was so turned up, guys. Yes, guys, I'm gonna come back with a lot more for you guys soon. Look at niceness. I be niceness I go on, you know? Yeah, listen, in my innocence, don't watch my ear this so it flick up and I realize it flick up, you know, but I never did fix it. For some reason, I don't know why I never fix the ear. Let's get into the video. Get into the video. I'll go see Curry soon. I break out. Because you know, say Curry like going with herself, you see. For now, watch her. She love going with herself and feel herself and rub up her ear and all these things. Yes, yo. Miss Curry Goodaz. Yeah. Watch her. She like going with herself. Yeah, she show her pimples on her face. Oh, y'all gonna laugh when y'all watch this video, but thank you guys for taking your time out to watch my video. You know, whether if it making a laugh, whatever I do too, no. You know, just thank you guys for watching my video. And to all who subscribe, I thank you. You know, cause remember, watch ya, go to the good dog. If you don't hear the song I play, them catch my half guard dance. You know, yeah. But as I say, we are on a road to 1,000 subscribers, so I don't know how to make it happen. You see me? We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. You know, not giving up none of this. You know. I have a lot in store for you guys. There go the big booty again. Shake that. Watch yourself. Guys, if y'all was actually hearing the official sound from this video, y'all be cracking up. But you know, we don't do copyrights around here. And as we say, a bill will come to build this. We don't come to mash it up. You see me? Yeah. You know, when y'all come over to Life with Curry Goodaz, there's gonna be a lot of things about me. I'll be showing things about my personal life. Things that I do. Everybody know that I love to cook, so I'll be showing a lot of cooking. I might do some mukbang. But you know,